Welcome to Accounting High.
Hey, Scott.
I'm pretty excited. We have a new show to introduce, brand new, fresh off the press. This is the Cashflow Show, starring Nikole Mackenzie and Scotty Scarano, or OKR.
Check out the Cashflow Show. We discuss topics like getting paid on time, profitability, and managing your bottom line, payroll best practices, the best apps to use, and cash flow forecasting tools. So if you're a small business owner, your help's right around the corner. Fret not. Tune in as Scott and Nikole help you reach your goals on the Cashflow Show. The Cashflow Show. Listen and learn. We'll show you how to pay yourself on what your business earns. With Nikole and OKR.
Nix, what is this? Why are we doing the Cashflow Show?
My aspiration is really to empower our listeners to become savvy entrepreneurs so that they have clarity and confidence when they are dealing with their financials.
And let's help them get their head above water.
Yeah, but one thing I see a lot with business owners is that they're so insecure about the accounting and cash flow and finances that they decide to just turn their head to it. We tend to gravitate toward things that we feel comfortable with, but now they're running a business and they're underwater basically. And so our goal is to help them around building out your accounting function.
So you said that a lot of business owners are insecure about that and they turn their heads. Why do a show and why talk about these cash flow issues?
It's to teach somebody how to manage the finances of their business.
We're going to empower listeners to become savvy entrepreneurs with complete clarity over their financial numbers and confidence in collaborating with their accounting teams. It is okay to talk to accountants. We're not boring. It's not that complex. Accountants do make it complex. We do tend to overcomplicate things a lot.
There are all sorts of different types of accountants and CFOs and advisors. And so understanding who it is that your business need is really important because you need the right people in place to help you.
Let me take a brief moment to mention the hat that I'm wearing here and some reporting tools. So one of our pals over at Reach Reporting, one of our friends there.
I didn't notice.
We're gonna talk about tools to help you manage your cash flow. One of those tools is our friends at Reach Reporting.
We love Reach Reporting. You know the story of I tried to build a reporting tool because I hated all of the ones out there.
It's an easy way to display these numbers and talk about the cash flow to the business owner. So we use tools like this to make it easier for you to see the story and for us to tell this story of cash flow.
Some of the things we're going to be talking about are profitability, cash flow, how to pay yourself, accounting technology to automate some of these steps in your business, how to manage your accounting department as the CEO with confidence. We'll be talking about tax strategies to save you some money, what reports you should be getting from your accountant, how often, what KPIs or metrics you should be looking at on a regular cadence. You will be super savvy and you'll be able to share all this information with your friends. There is a formula to business. There is a formula. If you as a business owner follow this formula, the goal with this is financial freedom for business owners.
Financial freedom sounds fantastic. I love the sound of all this and getting them there so they can breathe again, so they can sleep again, so they have more time with their family, so they have more time to do the things that they want to do, or to actually focus on growing the business instead of plugging all the holes.
Right. And
Let's set up these systems.
A lot of times there's different forces pulling you in different directions and different people with different interests. And then you have your family life at home. And so it's really taking all of these things, all these pressures you have financially that feel emotional, and taking the emotion out of it and say, hey, look, like if we just follow this formula, this is going to work. And so if you are willing to put in the work and follow these steps and implement these things, then you're going to have a 20 or 30% profit margin on your $1 million business, or a 20% profit margin on your $10 million business. Whatever the formula is, you have clarity on how to get there and what that financially means for you.
So this is a sneak peek for listeners. We're going to tell this emotional story next time, and we're going to talk about the solutions. So this story about death and family and envy and pride and money and greed, all of that stuff next time.
I have some good stories. Embezzlement,
stories.
family drama, everything. So
With happy endings.
With happy endings, yes, happy endings. And so the next episode, the title is going to be "Don't Grow a Crappy Business."
Don't grow a crappy business.
And I'll get into what that means in the next one.
Thanks for putting all this together. This was dope. All right. Peace out. Thanks
Bye.
for listening.
Yeah. So you're drowning in cash flow issues. You run a business, but feel like it's running you. Customers won't pay, but you got bills due. It appears you won't have enough for payroll coming up soon. It seems like you're running nowhere fast. You work hard, but never able to withdraw cash from the business. You get more customers, hire more employees, but still take home hardly anything. You feel like you're on a hamster wheel, frustrated because the battle's always uphill. Even though you got a bookkeeper on your team, they send you reports, but you don't really know what they mean. Your CPA doesn't understand a thing about your business, at least that's how it seems. But if you want to get above water and grow, check out the Cashflow Show. This is the Cashflow Show, where we help the small business gain momentum and become profitable. This is the Cashflow Show. Listen and learn. We'll show you how to pay yourself on what your business earns. Cashflow Show. Discuss topics like getting paid on time, profitability, and managing your bottom line, payroll best practices, the best apps to use, and cash flow forecasting tools. So if you're a small business owner, your help's right around the corner. Fret not. Tune in as Scott and Nikole help you reach your goals on the Cashflow Show. The Cashflow Show, where we help the small business gain momentum and become profitable. This is the Cashflow Show. Listen and learn. We'll show you how to pay yourself on what your business earns. Cashflow Show. Our advice will take you far. Nikole and OKR.